Hey there, welcome back. Well, it's that time of the year again, Amazon Prime sale. So I thought I'd just jump online and show you my top 5 best deals that I found. SwitchBot has a fantastic deal here with 60% off their SwitchBot S10 robot coming in at $480 USD. So as you know, Reolink is a real favorite of mine. The Reolink cameras offer great integration into Home Assistant and no need for a cloud. So this is the Duo 3 Power over Ethernet. This is a really popular model, and as you can see, they've got it going at less 40%, $119.99. Next up, we've got another great one from Reolink. This is their latest release, the Omvi 3i. I've seen a huge amount of interest in this camera based off of the number of you that have viewed it on my latest video. Now, they've got an awesome deal here as well, less 31%, down to $219.99. This has got a panoramic 180 degree view at the top, and then it's got your PTZ down the bottom there. Best of both worlds. I can definitely recommend this camera. Next up, we've got a camera once again from Aqara. This time it's off at 30%, and this is their PoE cameras. I know that PoE are always popular with you guys, and this one is going at $159.99. Next, we've got another one that was really popular. This is the Weem Ultra Streamer. Now, what I really like about this is I can stream my TV content coming through on here. I can stream any content from Spotify, and I can also get my Home Assistant announcements coming through on this device. So they've got this as less 20%, going at $263.20. Finally, we've got one from Zima Board. This is the Zima Board 2. Now, this is a really great option if you're looking at doing a Home Assistant server. These work really well. I've seen a lot of people doing the Zima as a Home Assistant. You can also use the Zima OS, which is pretty cool and fun to run as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.